Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today I am going to teach you a picture reading. Children, can you see a beautiful picture on my board? And in that picture there are so many words, so we will find out. Tell me which pet animal you can see in the picture? That is a cat. Cat. And who else is sitting on a mat? He is a man. Man. What man is holding in his hand? He is holding a fan. Fan. And where they both are sitting? They both are sitting on a mat. At a mat. Sentence reading of the same picture. So let's begin. A cat is on a mat. A cat is on a mat. It is a fat cat. It is a fat cat. A man sat on the mat. A man sat on the mat. The man has a fan. The man has a fan. So, keep reading, keep practicing.